Oncho murigeria wegeta senia kisi Hot TV. Karibu na ande asentre ya bene asemambia eyiga ya avono iga. Na kwariganiri asingencho yogo sanga amanganabire igoro ya esabaria Dr. Freddy Matiang'i ritkoria ankyo kochakera esabaria egochakera kijauri ekorere ensemo ya kerenyo korengana no roboti oruiga roikire asitorege iga. Umoncho murigeria wegeta senia kisi Hot TV. Tete turarigereria etaro ya Dr. Freddy Matiang'i wikira ritukuri goro naroche riuko gose rirube riasogete ritukuri goro ne posta yechibicha korwa ase baria bagotebekana bare abaime esensemeria ya Matiang'i nigo narorire batebire nga nigo omusike Dr. Freddy Matiang'i agochikwariganigwa amo n'abarai bonsi ba Gusii gochakera abagavana bonsi abaseneta bonsi n'abarai bonsi bari bachorire nande bakaba nominated nigo bachikwariganĩa omusike Dr. Freddy Matiang'i rituko ryankyo ase orogongo rwa Gusii ekara chikororekana ritang'ani gesa arwete ase obosies nechikobesa bari entang'ani yae yogosoka gochasa abantu na kororekana na gukwanira abantu bonsi ba Gusii ogosaba ogoite kwabene nkoria ng'a abarai bonsi ba Gusii besokie na kobwata omusike Dr. Freddy Matiang'i okoboko na bari babwate ribero nenda mwamu barabo barara kora keke barara tegerera korengana amona omubunge okitutu chache South omusike Anton Kibagendi ni awotebanga ritukoria nkyo nigo richikoba ritukoria Dr. Freddy Matiang'i vuna ritanya koba rikokorekana rinde ime ya Gusii so atabiringa erat bayitukoria mambia egochakera kijauri ari Nyamira Keroka toche Keumbu wache Kisii town bonchuke bagande Kimera bagande Nyamira town bakorere ekerenyo eryo nkorengana neritukoria mambia ekero Dr. Freddy Matiang'i agochigotarira abagusii na anene mono gochigosoka onyorenga Dr. Freddy Matiang'i nigabereka gokwanirwa amo n'abakenya bamusabire esoke na kuburia oburai bwensi ya Kenya asa bange babere bakoteba buna nero bere gakorerekana nga n'omurai uranyare koba kagokoreta amaunchoririo gochia ase abakenya korengana negasi eriakorire ase chiministry ao chiabereka gotinenera gochakera ICT toche education toche interior awasabereka gokore egasi yae nigo abereka kororekana kagokore egasi erochikaine na abakenya nonye maramange ari asabereka gotinenera nigo abakenya bange babere bakoigwa oborito bwa Matiang'i mbora abaigwete oborito abande bagechigwa abande bagokiwa lakini if you remember anything Matiang'i abereka gokora ikiaretire impact enene as a ministry yo ministry ya ICT is Matiang'i ogerete abakenya tukarwa analog tukagenda digital we are digital asengencho ya Matiang'i nande iba forceti by fire by force abantu banga bakomana nga why how now we are digital is through Matiang'i amangana ya education where he was the CS you know very well na kia koretegas and education sector amangana ya masomo agaonchorodiwa previous before Matiang'i ataracha miaka ya magega anybody ogachire university wikakware gotwara B minor mbabwate chipointing umuisike wikatwara chipoint echiga ngomumura wikatwara this a certain points mwade korengani so B minor B plain bare ko ende university so sometimes it was very hard abantu bange mbagate university kwade konyore kenyoro some villages osokwanya sinaru munda chito yo mu university bane mbacheti So yarenge igasikete enkongu miakeyu. But after Matiang'i came in as a CS for education, he changed everything. Abana bakagenda to university, squeeze every village up to date. Abana bache to university abange, bana basomire. There is no discouragement. So at least every family in every village nebwata abana bache to university. Lakini before Matiang'i bintombia renge boigo. We come to CS and ekera renge interior for CS. Matiang'i changed everything. Textile, promote local textile. You remember they were used to import uniform Javaskari from outside the country. But Matiang'i came in as a SS for interior, changed everything. But we use homemade uniforms, Javaskari. We promote local textile. So, and many more other things. The impact of Matiang'i as a very koba nevertheless pain ngoboto kaya lengo. But Kenyans came to realize Matiang'i no ba rego force by fire by Nechinguru. Abantu ba feel pain. He was doing the right thing. So Kenyans, they feel Matiang'i can change this country. He can transform this country. Korwa ase megano nimibaye nemenge. You know, Kenyans mbatageti omurai okubata ebininchenkore na atengire na atengoire. You know, Kenyans, they want someone, a leader who force agento, a leader who forces. We cover force, we feel pain, we money, but finally they will see the positive impact and the importance. Yeah, agent equality. So tomorrow Matiang'i is coming out. We hope all the governors. This is a homecoming. You know, this is a homecoming of this leader who is Matiang'i. Homecoming etari siasa, we expect all leaders to come and welcome our son home. Ku welcome our son home nebe egentekia. Ku welcome our son home itakuwa vizuri. So governors, Kisi governor, Simbarati, Nyamira governor, senator and all leaders, we expect you to see you gather people, welcome Dr. Freddie Matiang'i, and let's toroke unity kocha ase Matiang'i. We don't want to see abantu bande ku Gusii bago pinge safari ya Matiang'i kocha ga Gusii. Na ando nyoreiga egento maybe okwana against Matiang'i today. Oyo kuba against Matiang'i today rero iga aso kubure burayi bwae bubo president. Mambi to kumanyana kibogokia. Mambi na maybe nabora choga nekero wogete. Weka to inyore torete those clips. Bilikuwa ro kwana tokobekera tokotebi. Do you remember 2025? Kwa ro tebi Matiang'i. So Kenyans right now, we don't forget. We don't forget. We are digital. So any statement you make today, make sure nga ne statement itatiko kwa umuchando litukulia mambia. If you don't want to support Matiang'i, keep quiet. Rose vinto byago silently tigana mangana Matiang'i. So for those ones wakonya koteba nga he was in CS interior abantu bagaitwa nini. So leave alone those stories. When you ask such kind of questions, the first question utakere kuburi, who was the president? Who was the deputy president by then? Tiga omonguru tatinya sae abe amonainwe ritkuria mambia tubwaterane and we welcome our son home omuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i naochukwe arigania achake gutara Kenya ngima igoro ya esabari yae yokuburia oburai bwense yiga. Thank you very much guys, ladies and gentlemen. Mtenye to Dennis was a kuntu. Bye bye.